In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the coin cell battery. Before removing the coin cell battery, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the Inspiron 3881 service manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and disconnect all attached peripherals. To remove the left side cover, remove the two thumb screws that secure the left side cover to the chassis. Gripping firmly on the tab on the left side cover, slide the cover towards the back of the computer and remove the left side cover off of the chassis. Now, let's remove the coin cell battery. Lay the computer with its right side facing down. Push the coin cell battery securing clip on the coin cell battery socket to release the coin cell battery out of the slot on the system board. Lift out the coin cell battery. You have successfully removed the coin cell battery. Now let's see how to install the coin cell battery. Insert the coin cell battery into its slot on the system board with the positive side label facing up. Press down and snap the coin cell battery into the slot on the system board. Once the coin cell battery is installed, install the left side cover. To install the left side cover, align the tabs on the left side cover with the slots on the chassis and slide it towards the front of the computer. Replace the two thumb screws that secure the left side cover to the chassis. The coin cell battery installation process is now completed. For more information, see the service manual document at dell.com/support.